Do not think that because you are who you are, you can't be who you want to be. Too many people spend their lives defined by their current circumstances. They believe their past mistakes, limited opportunities, or present challenges determine what their future will look like. But the truth is, your current situation is not your final destination. The person you are today is simply the starting point for the person you can become tomorrow. Every successful entrepreneur, business owner, and leader started somewhere. They faced setbacks. They experienced rejection. They encountered obstacles that seemed impossible to overcome. What separated them from everyone else wasn't luck, talent, or timing. It was the decision to believe that their future could be bigger than their present. Growth begins the moment you stop accepting limitations and start pursuing possibilities. It begins when you decide that your goals are worth fighting for, your dreams are worth chasing, and your future is worth building. At TruPowur, we believe that ordinary people can create extraordinary lives when they are given the right opportunity, training, and support. Whether you're looking for additional income, greater flexibility, financial independence, or a complete career transformation, the opportunity to build something meaningful is available to those willing to take action. Imagine earning residual income month after month while helping businesses and homeowners reduce one of their most essential expenses. Imagine building a business that grows over time, creating long-term value for you and your family. Imagine waking up every day knowing that your effort is building your future, not someone else's. The difference between where you are and where you want to be is often one decision. One decision to believe in yourself. One decision to take action. One decision to stop settling for less and start pursuing more. Your story isn't finished. Your best chapters may still be ahead of you. The life you want is possible, but it requires the courage to become the person capable of creating it. So, if you're ready to reinvent your future, build a seven-figure compounding residual income by helping customers save money on something they already use every day, energy. It's time to stop settling for less and start taking control of your financial destiny. To learn more, visit TruPowerCareer.com, and we'll see you on the inside.